Today, ang i-review natin ay ang bagong bukas na Bounty Fresh Fried Chicken, which will be my first meal for the day. But before that, mag-measure muna tayo ng baseline blood sugar. Pinartneran ko lang ng 2 pieces eggs and a few slices of cucumber. And black coffee. Baseline blood sugar, 78. Kainin ko muna to and I'll be back after 1 hour. Naka 1 hour na po. Let's check my blood sugar na. Dito na pala ako inabutan ng first hour sa duty. 1 minute prick break. So, no spike naman po. So, naka 2 hours na po. Let's measure again. Hindi po siya lumampas ng 140 no spike po.